Right, all you amazing scientists. Today we're going to begin to learn about the science of matter. If you would like to make notes about your learning, you'll find a link to this organiser in the description panel below. Matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. Everything is made of matter. This car is made of matter. This pencil too. Guess what? Even you are made of matter. Look around you. Can you find 3 things that are made of matter? Good scientists question, inquire, and wonder. Take a minute. Can you think of any questions you have about matter? What is mass? Mass is the amount of matter or atoms that make up an object. Mass is measured in kilograms. The mass of an object is the same on Earth as it is in space. That means that this car or pencil has the same mass on Earth as it does in space. What is space? Space is also known as volume. Volume is the amount of space an object takes up. Look at this jug. You will see that the water has taken up about half of the space inside the jug. Now is a great opportunity to question, inquire, and wonder. Record your ideas on your organiser or share them with a friend. Let's recap. Matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. If you would like to learn more, find the next clip in my series. It is all about atoms. Ka kite anō. See you again.